Here's problem 18, an SAT problem. It's a little difficult, but I think once we think it through, we'll be able to get it. It says, in a pet store, there are 3 times as many goldfish as tropical fish. There's twice as many orange goldfish as there are black. So it says, what is the probability that a randomly selected fish from the pet store is a black goldfish? Now, I have no clue. Well, let's figure this out. There are 3 times as many goldfish as tropical fish. Now think about this. I need to get this in sort of, what's the chance of pulling out a goldfish versus a tropical fish? Well, there's 3 times as many goldfish as tropical. So for every 3 goldfish, there's 1 tropical. See, there's 3 times as many of these goldfish as there are tropical fish. That means the probability of getting a goldfish is 3 out of how many fish am I looking at? 4. So if you think of this, for goldfish, to just get a goldfish, to draw one randomly, not even worrying about color, there's going to be 3 goldfish for every 1 tropical fish. So there's a 3 out of a total of 4 chance you'll get a goldfish. 3 out of 4 chance there. Chance of pulling out a tropical fish is 1 out of 4. Because again, there's 3 times as many goldfish as there are tropical fish. So if I pull it out 4 times, 3 of the times I'll get a goldfish, 1 of the times I'll get a tropical fish. Now, let's look at this. There are twice as many orange goldfish as black. So for every 2 orange, there's only 1 black. Which means the chance of getting orange is 2 out of 3. The chances of getting a black is 1 out of 3. So let's say the chance of getting orange, twice as many, so there's 2 out of 3 chance of getting orange. And for getting a black, there's a 1 out of 3. So if I draw fish out, and we're talking just goldfish, if I draw 3 goldfish, usually 2 will be orange, 1 will be black. 2 to 1. There's 2 more orange to each 1 black. That's what it says there. And we got to think of it that way in fractions. Now, it wants to say, what's the chance you're going to draw a goldfish and it's going to be a black goldfish? So you need this to happen and this to happen. This is when you multiply the probabilities. 3/4 chance I'm going to get a goldfish. A 1/3 chance it's going to be black. So this is going to give me 3's will cross out and become 1's. I have a 1 out of 4 chance of getting a black goldfish. If it had said, what's the chance of getting an orange one? We would have just multiplied the top, so we would have had a 1/2 of a chance. Because 3/4 times 2/3 would be 1/2. So there you have a very difficult SAT problem, but if you break it down and just think, hey, for every 3 there's 1, so there's a 3 out of 4 chance, or 1 out of 4 if you're looking that way. You just got to think it and break it to probability, and then multiply those probabilities to figure out the total answer, in this case of a black goldfish. 3/4 times 1/3, 1/4 is our answer on this SAT problem.